guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gillian Barry and this is my beautiful daughter May. She's gonna assist me in today's video. Today I'm showing you guys how to make the most delicious green juice ever. Anybody loves this green juice, whether they're carnivore, vegan, eat standard American, no matter what their diet. Anybody I make this for absolutely loves it. This green juice just gives me such high vibes, such good energy, and I find it just makes me want to continue on with good habits. So when I have this green juice, I feel so good that I then want to do other good things like hit the gym or take care of myself, and it's truly so delicious. So everybody always asks me what tastes good for a green juice because they can't stomach a lot of them, and this one is it. So let's get right into it. Give this video a big thumbs up right now, and be sure to subscribe if you don't already for more great content just like this one, and I will show you guys how to make this juice. This recipe is very simple too. I only like simple recipes, nothing complicated, so that's what you're gonna find on this channel. This is my amazing, simple, yet fabulous juicer, the 𝙎𝘼𝙑 𝑗2. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for about 60 days now, and it is literally the best juicer I've ever used. If you guys want to save money on a 𝙎𝑚𝑎, I will put my code down below, and I cannot recommend it enough. You guys will see how amazing it works right now. And let's get into it. So this juice is very simple. So I use 2 heads of romaine lettuce, organic, of course. And one thing I love about this particular juicer, you guys, first of all, it makes me want to juice more. And second of all, you just throw all the ingredients in, you close it, and you go. So I go on and do other things, and it makes my juice for me, which is amazing. You don't have to stand there like shoving everything in, getting your juicer backed up and all that. And then we're gonna do 1 peeled lemon. And if you want, I mean, you can leave the peel on the lemon. Somebody I interviewed who did a really long-term juice fast to fix some health issues, she said that when you leave the peel on the lemon, it's actually a strong antidepressant. It's actually proven that the lemon peel boosts your mood. So if you're looking for an extra mood boost, then you can leave that on, but I think my mood's okay today, so we'll take it off, right, May? This, you use a handful of parsley as well. Yeah, you can put that in. And we're gonna put more ingredients, but this is full, so I'm gonna start this right now. So I'm gonna start cutting up some of the other ingredients. So it's really simple. There's only a couple more ingredients. So use 1 to 2 zucchinis as well. Many people never think to juice zucchini, but it adds a nice flavor to the juice. And then 1 to 2 cucumbers as well. We will stop this for a sec. And what's nice, when you open it, it just stops on its own. And for anybody who doesn't know, I did interview Joe Cross from the movie Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. I feel like he was like the OG who kicked off all this juicing stuff like a decade ago, where he did that documentary on Netflix. He lost so much weight and totally transformed his life, his career, and he's actually one of the creators of the 𝙎𝑚𝑎. So I think that's awesome. And his interview's on my channel. I will try and link it below. Celery as well I put into this. Look, you guys, this is what I love about this juicer too. It's so much less pulp, and the pulp is so much drier than other juicers, and I'm really excited. I'm actually gonna, now that I've been using this juicer for a couple months, I'm gonna do a full review, and I'm gonna compare it to my old juicer so you guys can see like the difference in how the juice settles or not, and how much pulp there is, and how much juice you get, because you do get more juice from your produce with this juicer. So even if some people think it's a bit more expensive, you save money in the long run because you get more juice from it. So the other thing I add to this juice, it's optional, it still tastes good either way, is about a thumbful of ginger as well. Yeah, it is good. And ginger is good. Ginger has a naturally warming effect on your body. So if it's winter where you are, then it warms you up a little bit. And it's so great for preventing like colds and all that too. People always ask me with this juicer if you have to use this and if you have to push stuff down. And I feel like I do now and then, but you don't have to. Like most of the time, it just does literally all the work for you. So right now I could go play with May or listen to music, do something, come back, the juice is made, which is awesome. There we go, our beautiful, beautiful juice. I'm so excited to drink this. This is such a good juice, I love it. May used to drink green juice when she was really young. Now it's like, it's harder with school and everything to keep her like super healthy, so these don't taste as good to her now. You wanna try some? No? So good, you guys. I cannot recommend it enough, and I cannot recommend green juicing enough. And again, if you guys want to save and get the same juicer as me, I highly recommend it. You can save 55 bucks. I will link that down below. I love juicing content, so there's so many interviews and just amazing stuff around juicing on this channel, and stuff to lift your vibes, make you feel better, and live a better life. Stay tuned for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.